In this video, let us solve problems based on surface areas and volumes. And we've got a problem here which reads like this. It says two cubes, each of 10 centimeter edge, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Right, so a cube is going to change into a cuboid here, and then we've got the data that the cube that we're talking about here measures 10 centimeters per edge. And what happens is there are two cubes and then you join them end to end, right? And you need to find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So what happens is, say for example, we've got a cube like this, right? This is the cube, and then say we've got another cube. So say we're going to join this end to end, say in the side here. So this length is going to add to this length, right? So this length and this length are going to add up, and the remaining lengths are going to remain the same. Meaning, say if you take this as the L, and if you take this as the B, and if you take this as the H, L is going to become double. So the L is going to become 20 centimeters, the breadth is going to be 10, the height is going to be 10. So in that way it becomes a cuboid, and we have to find the total surface area of the resulting cuboid. So let's see how do we do that. Now the first thing is, the length is, now we know the measurement of the cube, it is 10 centimeter edge, that is same all the sides. So now the length of the resulting cuboid will be 20 centimeter, right? Because if it joins, 10 plus 10 becomes 20, and the breadth is going to be 10 centimeter, and the height is going to be 10 centimeter, because these things are not going to change in any way. So now all we have to do is just use the formulae for the surface area of the cuboid and substitute these values in that formula and find the answer. That's all there is to do in this problem. The surface area of the cuboid is given by 2 times length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. So this is what the formula is for the surface area of cuboid, and we just have to substitute the values of length, breadth and height here. So L is 20, breadth is 10, so 20 times 10, plus breadth and height are the same, so 10 times 10, and length into height is 20 times 10. So here we are. So 2 times 20 times 10 is 200, plus 10 times 10 is 100, plus 20 times 10 is 200. So 2 times 200 plus 100 plus 200 is 500. So 2 times 500 is 1000. So therefore, now since it's all in centimeters, it's going to become centimeters squared. So therefore, the surface area of the resulting cuboid, that is if you join the two cubes of side 10 centimeters, you're going to get a total surface area of 1000 centimeters square. A pretty straightforward and a very simple problem, very basic problem to start off problems on this topic. So let us do another simple problem based on surface areas and volumes. Alright, so here we've got another question which reads like this. 3 cubes whose edges measure 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively to form a single cube. Now find its edge, also find the surface area of the new cube. Now what the question says is that we've got 3 cubes. One cube measures 3 centimeters per edge, and another cube measures 4 centimeters per edge, and the other cube measures 5 centimeter per edge. Now these cubes are going to be joined to form a single cube. Now we have to find what's the length of its edge. The resultant cube's edge is going to be what length is what we have to find, and also we have to find the surface area of the new cube. So now let x centimeter be the edge of the new cube. Now the volume of the new cube is going to be sum of the volumes of the 3 cubes. Right, so each cube measures what? 3 centimeters. So the volume of the 3 centimeter cube will be 3 cube, because it is LBH, right? When LB and H are all equal, it's going to be 3 cube. And the volume of the cube that measures 4 centimeters is going to be 4 cube. The volume of the cube that measures 5 centimeter cube is going to be 5 cube. And therefore, the resultant cube's volume should be x cube, because it's each side is going to be x, right? So we are combining all these. So we've got x cube equals 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, and 5 cube is 125. So adding all this up, you get 216. So if x cube is 216, what is the x? It is the cube root of 216, right? So the cube root of 216 is 6. That is, x cube equals 6 cube. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 6 is 216. So if x cube equals 6 cube, then definitely x is going to be 6 centimeters. So therefore, the edge of the newly formed cube as a result of the combination of these three cubes is 6 centimeters. And now let us find the surface area of the new cube. Surface area of a cube is given as 6x squared. So the surface area of the new cube is 6 times 6 squared, because x is 6. So we have 6 times 36, which is 216 centimeters squared. So the volume is also 216 centimeter cube. The surface area is also 216, but it's centimeters squared since it's area. So therefore, the surface area of the new cube is 216 centimeters squared. So this concludes this problem as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more such problems based on surface areas and volumes.